Are you passionate about writing? Do you dream of turning your words into a lucrative career? Well, you're in luck. In today's digital age, online writing jobs offer a golden opportunity to earn money while doing what you love. Whether you're a beginner exploring the world of online writing or an experienced writer looking to maximize your earnings, this video will unveil effective strategies to help you succeed. Mastering the art of online writing and maximizing earnings. 1. Hone your writing skills. To excel in the competitive world of online writing, continuous improvement is key. Invest time in sharpening your writing skills by reading extensively, studying grammar and style guides, and practicing different writing techniques. Join writing communities and engage in constructive feedback to enhance your craft. 2. Build a professional portfolio. In the digital age, a strong online presence is crucial for attracting clients and showcasing your abilities. Create a professional portfolio that highlights your best work. Include a variety of writing samples relevant to the job categories you're targeting. Optimize your portfolio by adding testimonials and endorsements to build credibility. 3. Find the right platforms. Identify reputable online platforms that connect writers with clients seeking their services. Explore websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr, which offer a wide range of writing opportunities. Research niche platforms tailored to specific writing categories for targeted job prospects. Leverage social media platforms to showcase your skills and network with potential clients. 4. Develop a personal brand. Differentiate yourself from the competition by developing a strong personal brand. Define your unique writing style and voice, and create a captivating author bio that resonates with your target audience. Consistently produce high-quality content that reflects your brand values and expertise. Build a loyal following by engaging with readers and participating in relevant writing communities. 5. Cultivate client relationships. Building and maintaining strong relationships with clients is crucial for long-term success in online writing. Communicate clearly, deliver projects on time, and exceed client expectations. Nurture professional connections through excellent customer service and proactive communication. Positive client feedback and referrals can significantly boost your earning potential. Unlock your online writing potential today. In the vast realm of online writing jobs, success lies in a combination of honing your writing skills, establishing a strong online presence, finding the right platforms, developing a personal brand, and cultivating client relationships. By implementing these effective strategies, you can unlock your full potential as an online writer and turn your passion into a sustainable source of income. So, don't wait any longer, start exploring the world of online writing jobs and embark on a rewarding journey today.